Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, do sure like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Today I have come back after a long and much needed break. Things just got carried away that I couldn't concentrate on my channel and couldn't upload any videos. From my previous videos, you all must be knowing that I was on a vacation to India and things went wrong over there. After some time, my mother-in-law got heart attack and followed by surgery and so on. That's it. That's how got very busy. Moreover, packing and wrapping up myself and coming back was another full busy time for me that I couldn't do everything together. By now you would have seen this is my travel vlog again. I am traveling back to Toronto, Canada from Delhi. The same airlines in which I went to India, that is Air India. Once again, I will share the review about Air India and it's all based on what I experienced in this travel. Food was okay. I chose to go with vegetarian option. As you all know, we will not have other than halal meal. So choosing vegetarian was a good option. And same, it is all desi food, aloo paratha, pickle, dal, chawal and paneer, something like that. It was a decent Indian food. Okay, fine. Both going to India and coming back to Canada, extremely different experience. While going, it was really worst and even the hygiene was zero level. But now while coming back, even the flights were big, spacious and clean, as well as the hygiene level was much better than what I experienced while going. When you travel with Air India, your international departure will be from Delhi only, always. That's how now we have come to Delhi international departure, and here you will have to clear your immigration and then followed by your security check. Here in Delhi airport, always I have experienced long queues even for immigration check as well as for the security checking. Once you're clear with your security check, now you will be passing through Delhi duty free shops, and here duty free shop usually I will not shop, but it is Delhi. Here I can see there were nice good Kashmiri shops. If you are a lover of Kashmiri work and you want to buy something like that, this place, it was very reasonable and nice. I did buy some things. I did buy few shawls over here and they were really very good price and really very good collection as well. Delhi to Toronto was a very long flight and needs lot of patience, and you can see every time the food came was dal, chawal, paneer. This was the vegetarian option. Always it was the same. They give either gulab jamun or custard. These are the two sweets they give, and every time it comes with aloo paratha and this dal chawal and some paneer or some mixed vegetable. That's it. I can't believe for breakfast they had given upma and idli, samar idli. It was so frustrating for other people, at least South Indian who love it. Maybe yes, they will like it, but others would have got pissed off. Finally, our long journey has come to an end and we are now in Toronto airport. It was 1 hour late also our flight, and it was very nice. Home sweet home, we have come back. Coming back home, it was a little difficult time, leaving behind all close, near and dear loved ones back in our country, yet was feeling little bit happy we are coming back to our home sweet home. Coming back home is again not a resting time for me. Now I had another big challenge, cleaning up, wrapping up and putting all things in its place in our home itself was a big time. As I had taken a long break, I went to India for approximately 2.5 months. Then you can imagine how the house will be. So it was a big challenge for me again. Of course, not big challenge. You can say it's a big job, but I can do it easily. But it will take time. First thing I cleaned was my backyard. backyard, when I saw, it was completely a mess. It was looking like a jungle full of weeds, and I don't know what kind of plants were there, all over flowering, fruits, veggies. I did not put any seeds at all, but tomato plants had come all by itself with loaded tomatoes. I was so surprised. No gardening, yet I have a harvest over here now coming up. Here rabbits used to come in the backyard, it seems. My husband told maybe those rabbits would have carried few seeds from the other backyards into our backyard. Lot of flowering plants, but all flowering season is completely gone, so I have chopped all the flowering plants, and this tomato plant needed a big support. It was just lying down with all tomatoes. It needed some support to climb on straight, so I had given some help. The same way on other side, you can see there were a lot of pudina, that is mint, was growing wild everywhere. And this, I don't know what it was. Later on I found it was either carrot or radish, and there was growing Malabar spinach and mint leaves, and you can see everywhere lot of grass. This already I have pruned some. Other than that, there was lot of grass growing here and there. My little boy also helped me a lot, and this radish plant, I pulled it out thinking it would be some parsley or something. Later on I understood that it is radish or carrot. Those roots were not completely grown, so I just put it back again. After cleaning, in this corner I saw another tomato plants. Those tomatoes were looking so beautiful. They were yellow, bulb like shape, and that plant was also nice and long, and it was just entering into other side of the fence in the next house. I pulled it out everything and gave this plant also a good support. These yellow beads and this white flower is also from our garden. I just, when I was cutting everything, I just kept few over here, and you can see now it is in little bit good shape. You can see tomato plants, and there was a succulent also over there, that is hens and cheeks. I will show you. That succulent is named as hens and chick. It has to be watered only 15 days once. This is the one. Only watered 15 days once. Literally my husband, without knowing itself, he was killing it. It had been watered every day. It should not be watered that way. Now I am trying to save it. Let me see how it works. And lot of mint. Mint has got flowers also. Few mints are having purple flowers and few are having white ones. White flowers are our Indian pudina, and these purple ones are, I don't know, it is little bit different in taste, but it is pudina. This is radish. The roots are coming out, few roots are coming out, and that is Malabar spinach. Let me see how it works. All these I have to harvest in few days before the winter is coming. These white flowers are from our Indian pudina. I just plucked all those flowers and put it down so that new growth will come in our new next season. I had been cutting all these plants from all the sides, and I have kept 2 to 3 bags already ready. These are 2 bags and one already I have put in the garage. We have to transfer all these plant waste into biodegradable paper bags. Now after few days I had to harvest these yellow tomatoes. You can see how beautiful they are. They are not only very beautiful and nice glossy yellow shaped like a bulb, they are very very tasty and very sweet also. Honeydew, you can name it as honeydew, but I don't know what is the name of this tomato plant. These are tomatoes only, but yellow in color and very very sweet. All these tomato plants seeds next door friend, she was telling that she has put her vegetable garden. Those seeds have come from there only to our backyard, and literally it is the rabbit only has brought it. Now here the weather in Canada is very pleasant. The sky is always beautiful and colorful. We are almost to an end for this summer. In a week or so we will be ending up in fall. Here and there little bit fall colors in trees have started. Very soon I will share also the fall colors in any of the vlogs. Soon I will be back with another awesome video. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.